Now I may get the slightly better, well I think I'm going to get the slightly better couplers. Now the slightly better couplers have 2 screws in the side and clamped that way, as well as these gob screws there, but they're pretty self-explanatory, and don't do that, don't knock it off. Okay. So just make sure I'm all happy. So, okay. And that's that video done. Okay, we're not quite catching you in stuff, but we can easily adjust that. We're going to do some fine adjustment later anyway. Okay, and what you can do, just sort of move it around, make sure everything is how it should be, and it is. Okay, that was a tough part, as you can see. Took me a few minutes, and I've done it lots of times, but that's build video number 11 done.